Now let's move on to question number 4. So once again, I'm going to read it out, then pause the video and have a go at it. So the following diagram shows triangle ABC, where AB is equal to 4, BC is equal to 6, AC is equal to 5, and ABC is equal to 2 theta. So find the exact value of cos theta, giving your answer in the form of P root 2 over Q. And this is because it's a calculator question, non-calculator question. So again, pause the video and have a go. Okay, so hopefully you've gone through it now and you've had a go at this question. So now let's have a go at it together. So here, looking at this, since you're trying to find the exact value of cos theta, they've given you a hint over here by mentioning cosine theta. So when they mention cosine theta, that means that they're giving you clear indication to use something called the cosine rule. So the cosine rule, if I am not wrong, oh yes, it is also in the formula booklet. So I'm going to paste it on the board now. Yeah, so here's the cosine rule on the board for you to use for this question. I know I should have pasted it before, but once again, if you didn't get the answer, if you didn't get an answer, something like this, I want you to pause the video and try it again with this cosine rule, with this hint that I've given you. Okay, hopefully you've tried it now. So now let's get started. So right now they've given us 2 theta. So right now we do not change the value that they've given us. You can if you want to, but this is how I would do it. So cosine 2 theta is equal to, so we plug in our values. So B we've taken as this. So this is B. So 4 squared, yes, plus C, this is our C, 6 squared, minus A squared, which is, this is our A. So 5 squared over 2 times 4 times 6. Yes? So now hopefully you should be able to expand this. So cosine 2 theta is equal to 16 plus 36, which is 52, minus 25, which is 27, and then 2 times 4 times 6 is 8 times 6 is 48. So this is 48, and this is equal to 9 over 16 once you simplify it down. So now you try to use something called a double angle identity. So you should have these memorized, or you can use the formula booklet. So the double angle identity I'm going to be using is cosine 2 theta is equal to 2 cosine square theta minus 1. This is what we're going to be using over here. So now we know what cosine 2 theta is. Yes. So we attempt to plug it into this equation that we have over here. So cosine 2 theta is 9 over 16, right, plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to cosine squared theta. And then you square root this to get a value of so obviously you expand this, it becomes 9 over 16 plus 16 over 16, which becomes 25 over 16. 25 over 16 over 2, yes, is equal to cosine square theta. And then you simplify it further because the 2 comes up, and eventually you get 75 over 96, yes. Cosine square theta is equal to 75 over 96. And then you put it in the form of, once you square root it. So, oh man, I'm running out of space here. Let's come up here. Up there. So cosine square theta is equal to 75 over 96. So cosine square theta is equal to 75 over 96. And then you square root, so cos theta is equal to square root of the entire thing. Right? And then you simplify this. Once you simplify this, you can take out, let's see, when you try to simplify this, it can simplify into 25 over 32. Square root of 25 over 32, right, is equal to, so this square root becomes 5 over root 32. Yeah, 5 over root 32. And then obviously you try to rationalize the denominator. And once you try to do that, you should get a final answer of 5 root 2 over 8. Sorry, I don't have enough space to rationalize the denominator, but that should be your final answer right there. 5 root 2 over 8.